How to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial, I'll be providing you a concise guide on how you could transfer the USDT from Binance to Bybit. For this, at first you have to get the USDT deposit address on Bybit. You can launch the Bybit mobile application and then go to the Assets tab. Now there you have to tap on Deposit and select the Deposit Crypto. There you have to search for and select the USDT and choose the TRC20 network and copy the deposit address. Now you can withdraw the USDT from Binance. In the Binance application, you can go to the wallet. From there, you can go to the fiat and spot, tap withdraw and select the USDT. Now you can paste the Bybit USDT deposit address you copied earlier, select the TRC20 network, enter the amount of the USDT to transfer, and then complete the withdrawal process by providing any unnecessary security verification. The USDT transfer from the Binance to Bybit using the TRC20 network is typically very fast, often completing in under a minute. Be sure to double check that you have selected the correct network to avoid any issues with the transfer. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.